Hey guys, we got number 101 here, and on the bottom where it says who posted this, it might be my brothers. It might say like Scoothouse Xbox or something, because I might have to put I may have put this on my brothers. So I want you to see, I'm making a Hailee the Light special. I made it for a while. But my mom always used to make it, but I always got the ingredients and told her how to make it, and then I found out. So anyway, my mom is here, and she is recording. So, yeah, that's my mom. You can say hi.
Hi.
She's my mom. So yeah, this is, I want to show you, like I'll tell you what you need. Okay. So first you're going to need a bowl. You don't need a huge bowl. Going to need some grapes, some cookies. I chose pirate cookies. Oh, peanut butter cookies, even though I don't like oatmeal. Some cream.
Yum.
And some strawberries. First, you're going to get a bowl like this, and you're going to put some strawberries in here. It doesn't matter how much. It doesn't really matter how much you put in there. If you wanna, you don't have to come in and ask me or anything. But the room amount would be about eight or 9 or something. Like I have 9 here, but I only meant to put 8. So I'm gonna show, and then and you're gonna need a knife and a little napkin to put the little head things on. Okay, so first, you wash all your strawberries in the bowl. And then you put
Which mom did?
Okay, anyway, so I just made this yesterday. So you're going to take, I'm going to show you over here because I have to use it. So come over here. So I hope you can see that. So you're just going to take the knife. You might want someone to watch you or have someone in the room or someone to do it for you. And you're just going to cut just this little top of it off.
What happened, Hill?
I don't know what dropped. Oh well.
Look at the fab shoes, by the way. And the pretty toes.
Yeah, I just painted them.
Should we get a little
so
focus
cool.
on that? Nice.
So cool, I love them. Yeah, they're
Nice.
blue and sparkly. Yeah, okay, so anyway, back to the food. Then you're just going to cut small slices. So you can either cut them in slices, all thin, or like chunks, like this. See, I'm just going to cut them. So, I just really want to show this because it is so yummy. So this is only the first step. So you can do as many as you want. And after you cut off the little heads, you're going to put them on a little napkin, but that doesn't really matter. You can just put it on the cutting board. If you do need a cutting board, so yeah, so you need somewhere to cut it. So yeah, so that's all my strawberries. Now, the first layer I need to put on is all these strawberries. Now, either you can put every single strawberry in the bottom of the bowl, or you can take a few and put them around the sides of it. I'm just going to put them all in there. So, it saves a little time. I'm just going to scoop it up. You can... Now, this is a little bit of a messy project, so...
Do you want to wash your hands?
Oh, well. That's fine.
You can go wash.
It's fine now.
See that? Sorry. See that wet napkin in the yellow bowl? Use that.
Okay, so you're what napkin?
Just a little tip out there for all you viewers.
Yeah. That tastes good. Not taste. I can't taste it with my hands. Alright, so now you have a full bowl like this. Then, you're going to take some whipped cream. Now, this is going to be kind of thick.
Shake it.
Oh yeah. So it's just about the same. Alright. So you're gonna shake it, as most of you might know. Alright, so now I think it's enough.
Wow,
you're dropping everything.
That's
today.
just that's so we can look at your good, nice shoes again.
Yeah. Okay. No. Alright, so.
No.
Alright, so I'm just gonna do it like a normal thing.
Well,
It's kind of like spraying like everywhere. It's sprayed like everywhere.
no. No.
Why?
Because our viewers are watching.
Oh well.
Manners.
Yeah, don't copy me. So now you have some whipped cream. Yay!
What's,
So I'm going to tell you what it's now going to look like. I'm going to put grapes on it, on whipped cream, and then some cookies, and that's kind of optional. You don't have to put grapes if you don't want to, but, so I'm just going to open up these grapes. And now it's going to be grapes, then I'm going to put my cookies in. I'm going to take 2. So I'm going to take a whole bunch of grapes, and I'll sort of roll them in. So, I want you to come see what I'm doing. And in the kind of pattern, I put a lot because I like whipped cream, I like grapes, I like strawberries. Oops, that one has a little tip on it. But yeah, make sure that you have no tips on it. Also, on the strawberries, those little heads with the green leaves and stuff, if you want them, great, you can just throw them in. Just more food. So this is going to be kind of huge, but yeah, that's my masterpiece. I'm gonna eat one. Grapes are delicious. Yeah. All right. A few more.
grapes are good for you too.
They make you smart, I think. I hope that happened because maybe my grades will come up.
You've got good grades.
Yeah, I know. But they don't know that.
You just don't like running in gym class.
No. That's my least favorite thing. Oh my gosh, you gotta come see this, everyone. Come see this. You have to seriously get small. Look at that tiny, tiny, tiny
Too
grape.
close. Now I can see it.
Look at it, it's so tiny. Alright, so now I have a ton of grapes. They're healthy. Then I'm going to take my cookies. It doesn't matter what cookies you have. You could have like Oreos or something.
What are Pirate the best?
Huh?
Pirate are the best for this.
Arr. Like they are really healthy. I'm going to take 2 cookies because I love. It just hit me in the face. Crumbs. Alright, so now, okay, so I'm going to place one there. Perfection.
Wow. Show us, Hale.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I feel like I'm missing something. More whipped cream. No.
No, you're good. Say bye to your viewers.
Later, but see you in next video. Later, I am awesome. And I got awesome shoes. Got Nacho Fresh. They go right now.